Earthquake Preparedness Month. California has just announced that they reached over 4 million downloads on the Earthquake Early Warning System app. This comes as California officials are urging residents to take steps to prepare in case an earthquake hits. The Earthquake Early Warning System notifies residents of incoming earthquakes by using ground motion sensors across the state. And when a 5.2 magnitude earthquake hit San Diego just a couple of weeks ago, MyShake users received as much as a 35-second notice before the earthquake even happened.